Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. A brazen gun attack followed by a brave act of self-defense shook a section of East Kingston this morning. The incident involved two gunmen and a licensed firearm holder who was hell-bent on protecting his family. In the end, two persons were dead and another two received gunshot wounds. With details of the dramatic story, here's TVJ's Dwayne Anderson.
The calm that rests over this East Kingston community belies what took place here this morning sometime after 12. Gunmen stormed one of these homes with the intention of taking lives and property. The gunmen had trailed the businesswoman from her company to her home in East Kingston, where they held her up at gunpoint and demanded money. She resisted and was hit in the face. Her handbag with her licensed firearm, money and phone was taken. The gunmen then demanded she tell her relatives inside to open the door. She did, and that's when all hell broke loose. Her son, a licensed firearm holder, heard the commotion and emerged from his room to challenge the gunmen. We understand his father was killed years ago during a robbery by gunmen, but this time the criminals would not have it their way with this family. The woman's son shot and killed the two gunmen, recovered his mother's licensed firearm, as well as the illegal submachine gun the criminals carried. A third accomplice waiting outside fled. The man was shot in his thigh and his one-year-old daughter was also hit in the shoulder. Both were treated at hospital. Visibly and understandably shaken, they were not prepared to speak with the media. They were visited by the police led by Superintendent Victor Hamilton. A resident who said he previously worked with the family visited the home to share his best wishes.
And people for law-abiding citizens to live them life freely, you know. Allow the people them alone who work them 9 to 5. The robbers them for just stop them thing there, you know. Yeah.
Now here's where the plot thickens. One of the dead men has been identified as Duchesne Crest of a Rockford address. The other is Andrew Smith, otherwise called Saddlehead of a Maiden Street address in East Kingston. The police revealed that Saddlehead has lodged several complaints of police victimization to the media as well as human rights groups. Just a few weeks ago, the police said human rights watchdogs alerted them to the latest communique. He stated that he was being harassed and abused by the police, leading to calls for the police commissioner to intervene. Police say Andrew Smith was wanted in relation to several robberies and shootings in the East Kingston area. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.